Okay, we got a 2021 Ford Explorer. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. So we're going to open this right here. Next, this piece right here, we're going to push up on it and then slide it out. So you're going to push up, it's going to be right here, push up, slide it out. From there, I'm going to push this thing right here out, and on the other side push that out as well, and that's going to go all the way down. From there you got the cabin air filter piece of the cover. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew that one right there, and then you're just going to pull this out, slide this down. I don't have a Phillips screwdriver on me, but once this door goes down, the air filter is right there and you can just replace it. So I'm gonna go get a screwdriver and do this and check it out, but that's how you do it.